Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the God of light, the God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Even the demons must admit the opulence of some tools. The divine message can form an undercurrent that we can hear. It is essential that the most current sent one is known. The highest of boons is the detachment from worldly means and to be able to turn all toward devotion. Respect those priests who are satisfied with what they have. Conditional supplications for others is often what is best. The dry evolution in the prophetic way destroys ignorance. Marriages are times of using particular, revealed, and inspired formulas and ways. The body will often provide presages of auspicious events. You know, those sensual, emotional, intellectual, etheric highs. And by etheric, I mean, the psychiatric, strange things. The moon is a symbol of the cycle of life and death. Everyone will be held accountable for their own deeds only. Torture and disfigurement, even to the extent of forced shaving, so even that little of something, is grounds to release a slave or a prisoner of war. Punishment and war shouldn't be upon unsupported suspicions, but it may warrant investigation. At least one of the 43 ghazawat of Prophet Muhammad was intended just as an investigation, because that's all he ordered. Scripture and the spiritual narrations gradually drive away ill effects. Marriage shouldn't be based on mere metaphysical attraction. Religious officials should not live by begging. And if they've been wrong, they can address that. But, competing for more money like some of these people you see on TV, they're saying, I want a better plane. You guys should have got me a better plane. I mean, I've literally seen stuff like that. A marriage should be arranged beyond any bride price or dowry. Marriage should be by the character of promise keepers. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Omniscient, omnipresent, omnipotent, all attractive, all pleasurable. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.